Hello guys! Waving hand, welcome back to another Python tutorial. Today we're going to build a file organizer program using Python. Rocket. Have you ever opened your downloads folder and found it completely messy? Images, PDFs, videos, documents, everything mixed together? Well, today we're going to fix that with just a few lines of Python code. In this project, our program will automatically organize files into different folders based on their file type. That means images go into an images folder, PDFs go into documents, videos go into videos, and much more. We'll be using Python's built-in modules, so you don't need to install any extra libraries. By the end of this video, you'll have a useful project that you can actually use on your own computer, and you'll also learn some practical Python concepts along the way. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into Visual Studio Code and start coding. Alright. Now let's understand how this code actually works. First, I'm importing two modules, OS and shutil. The OS module lets us work with files and folders, while shutil gives us the move function, which is exactly what we need to organize our files. Next, I'm defining the location of the folder that I want to organize. In my case, it's the desktop. After that, I've created separate folder paths for JPG, PNG, JPEG, TXT, and JSON files. Now comes the interesting part. Using os.listdir, I get a list of everything inside the desktop folder. Then, with a for loop, I go through each file one by one. For every file, I check its extension using endswith. If it's a JPG file, I create its complete path using os.path.join, print its name just for confirmation, and then move it into the JPG folder using shutil.move. The same logic is repeated for PNG, JPEG, TXT, and JSON files. Instead of writing completely different code, I'm just changing the file extension and the destination folder. And if a file doesn't match any of these extensions, no problem. It simply goes to the else block, where I print that it's another type of file so nothing unexpected happens. And that's it. Party popper in just a few lines of Python. We've created a simple but really useful file organizer. No more messy folders. Let Python do the boring work for you. If you learned something new from this project, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Python projects, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!